Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be talking all about this HOBO SENECA shoulder bag. This here is the beautiful SENECA shoulder bag from HOBO. It is in this really pretty buffed leather. I'll kind of zoom in so that you can see the material up close a little bit because it's really hard to explain how cool this material is. I really like it on this whiskey color. It kind of shows a little bit of imperfections, if you will, throughout the leather. But this one does come in a bunch of colors in a polished leather option. So if that's kind of more your jam, if you wanted a different color of this bag, it definitely comes in a variety of colors. So definitely check it out because I know that it comes in some colors and it sells out and comes in others and all of that. So you guys know how it works. But this one I'm a big fan of. This is a true shoulder bag. So you can only carry it one way, which is over your shoulder, or I guess over kind of the crook of your arm if you wanted to. It does not have an optional messenger strap or anything like that. I suppose you could add one if you really wanted to, kind of here on these nice big side D-rings. I personally just love it just like a shoulder bag. The drop length is crazy comfortable, especially when you have the bag fully packed. It just looks so cute on the body, in my opinion. Just the way that it lays, the shape of it. I feel like it matches a ton of different outfits. But my favorite thing about this is the opening at the top. So it does not have a zipper closure. It is secured by a super strong magnet here at the top. And you guys know I love like open totes, especially when they are horizontally orientated, if that makes sense, because you can see literally everything you have packed inside here. Like it is such a dream. You can like sit it in the like passenger side of your car, get everything you need out of it easily. If you have it sitting on the floor or anywhere really, you can just easily get everything that you need out of this tote. You can see everything inside of it. And I feel like it is the perfect everyday size. I truly do. I've been loving carrying this one. You do have two side pockets and they have strong magnets as well. So this is a great option for like your cell phone or your keys or hand sanitizer, things like that, that you want to be able to grab quickly on the sides of your bags. As far as the inside, you do have a couple of interior pockets. You have let me see if I can kind of fold the bag down. You have a zip pocket there, a little pen pocket, and two slip pockets on the back. And then you also have more pockets here on the front of the bag. So lots of organization on the inside. It's plenty big for you to pack pouches in here if you wanted to. Again, I love the way that this packs up. I want to go ahead and put the camera down so that you can see how it packs up and not just take my word for it. Before I jump into that, I did want to mention that there is another external pocket back here on the back of the bag. It is quite wide and it only goes down to about here. I think it's the perfect pocket if you want to throw your keys, or I've been throwing my chapstick in there. I have some change actually in there from when I was using it before. I think that's a good pocket for that, but it does kind of stay open a little bit, so I wouldn't put like super valuable items in it. I will also have a link to my what's in my bag of blog post page. It'll be pinned at the top of the comments as well as down in the description, and that just has a running list of anything that you've ever seen inside my bags. I try to update it, so if there is something that you're looking for that you don't see on that page, please feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. All right, here's the bag all packed up. Now I want to mention this scarf that I added to my bag. I am not a scarf or a charm person for a bag yet, but I think I'm getting there. Like, I think I need some bag charms and some chains and some scarves. I would love to know your opinion. Do you put a lot of like accessories on your bags? I just can't decide if I'm like for it or against it, but this looks really cute on this bag for sure, especially because there's only one shoulder strap to this bag. You don't have multiple straps or anything like that. I love the bags that have cute little grab handles and attach scarves to them where that kind of drapes down on the sides. Anyways, trying it out. I love this one on this bag, and it was, I don't know, $6-8 on Amazon. And I think it just kind of, well, it's hard to see the camera angle here, but I think it just kind of makes the bag a little bit, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But getting into the bag, as far as the exterior pockets here, gosh, I love the way that this bag packs up. I mean, it is just so crazy comfortable. I don't have anything in this back pocket here. Like I mentioned earlier, this is kind of a catch-all pocket for me if I have a receipt or if I have change or just something that I'm throwing real fast, I'll kind of use this back pocket. Otherwise, I don't really put anything in it because it is kind of loose back there. I don't want anything to fall out, but I do use these side pockets like crazy. So one of them, I usually put my cell phone in. Yeah, this one I normally do. Let me see. Where is my, hang on, let me grab it. Okay, so this here is an iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it is like the larger one, and it fits down in this side pocket perfectly. Like there's no problems. I don't feel like it's going to fall out. It is very like nice and secure. It's kind of made for a phone actually, in my opinion. So that fits down there. No issues at all. If you have a smaller one, obviously you'll be just fine with that pocket. And then I usually leave a pocket over here for things that I grab for quickly. Lately, I've been grabbing for a chapstick for sure. My lips are crazy chapped, and eye drops. Sometimes I have other stuff in there too, but those are the main things that I keep in there. If I'm like really going really quickly, I can throw my wallet in there or whatever. So lots fits in those side pockets there. Then opening up the main bulk of the bag, as you can see, there's only one way that you can close it, and that's by this really strong magnetic button, if you will, here at the top. It does not come open easily. Like you have to give it a tug. So it's pretty secure, but when you open it, you can see literally everything you have packed down inside. I love it. I can't say enough about it. I just really enjoy the way this one packs. So I'll go ahead and start taking out the like larger things that I have in the middle, and then I'll like take out what I have inside these pockets. Even looking at it fully packed, if you will, or with this amount of things in here, I could still easily put a water bottle in here. A regular like 12 ounce or 8 ounce or whatever water bottle fits perfectly in here. I've carried it before. A couple of snacks on top. Like there's definitely more room here at the top of the bag if you wanted to carry those items or a couple of other things. I have my big planner in here. I do like to carry it, especially this time of year with holidays. Scheduling's kind of crazy. I have lists coming out like everywhere. So I do like to have it with me when I can. This is a 7x9 like hard planner that I got a couple of months back, and I've really been enjoying it. I will admit I bought a new one from Erin Condren during their Black Friday sale, which is going on right now, because I really want to go back into their softbound planners, and they have this dashboard layout that is so cool. I'll try to insert like a picture here, or I'll definitely link it so you guys can look at it. But it's basically one side of the layout is every day of the week, like very small box. And then the other side is like a brain dump spot for like lists and notes and all of that. And so I think the layout is going to be perfect. It starts in January, so you'll see me switch into that one, but it's going to be roughly the same size as this one. The other item that I have that's, I guess, bigger in here is my book. It's actually kind of a small book, but you guys know I always carry one with me. And this is the one that I'm in right now, the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore. I read the first one. What was that one? Pumpkin Spice Cafe. And I have the Christmas tree one. I think there's, what's the one after that? Strawberry shortcake, whatever, something like that. I have all of them. I just am getting back into the series. I read the pumpkin spice one last year. So I'm in this one, just started, so I can't really say much about that. Then I also have down in here one of the cosmetic beauty cases from HOBO. You guys know I love these. These are like my favorite pouches of life. I think they're worth every penny. HOBO actually has a Black Friday sale right now, so I wonder if maybe some of these are on there. I would definitely check it out if you've been on the fence with these pouches. I have a brown flowered one from like last year that would have looked so cute in here, but I cannot find it. It's probably inside a bag somewhere in my closet, but I have this one that's leather. The other one I have, I think, is like canvas. But anyway, this one opens up really uniquely. You have two magnet like little buttons here on the side, really, really strong again, but this opens up completely flat. There's two separate like pouches, if you will, because there is a seam right here in the middle. So things from this pocket aren't going to go over to this one. And what I love about it is like, look how messy that pouch is. Like I've just literally thrown any and everything down in here and it looks like neat, like kind of untidy, but when you look inside, it's like total and complete chaos. So I love that. I can see everything in here. I could get whatever I need like really quickly. So I love that. I put that in whatever bag I can. I have sitting up in here next to it my eyeglass or sunglass case from HOBO. This is in that same buffed leather, that whiskey color. It matches the bag. And I can fit 2 pairs of glasses inside here. It's a literal dream. If you guys know or remember, the one that I had before was not working for me, but I have my eyeglasses like tucked down in there. And then over here on this side, I have my sunglasses. And these are actually from Quince. Love them. I don't think I've touched on them recently or at all yet. I need to do it in like my next Quince haul for sure, but these are so good. They're really like tight on my head. They don't fall off. I really like them. So anyways, that's what I have inside this little eyeglass case. Then I just have a couple of other loose items down in there, mainly because they're things, again, that I just grab for a lot out of my bag. And with having my book and planner and those pouches kind of makes a little cavity to where I can just throw these things in and out. And I don't find that I have them like completely lost in the bag. I have my hand cream. You guys know, literally obsessed with this stuff. It's so, so good. I have that in there. I have my little HOBO coin pouch, and inside here I have my AirPods. So they tuck very nicely in there. Then I have my wallet. I'm still in this Ondar Denner wallet. They are coming out with a 2.0 version of this, which I'm super excited about. So I'll probably be switching into that. I have my little daughter's keychain, my car key, and then attached here, which I can take off easily, is a little key ring that I got from Quince that is really nice. It's like a strong leather tassel, if you will, and it has a clip and a keychain, but I have all of my keys on here. My house key, my office keys, my sister's keys, my dad's keys, my mom's keys, everybody's keys on here with this little kind of keychain. And I love it because I think it was like $30 or 20 something for 2 of these. And they have them in this like dark leather as well as black. And I think they'd be kind of a cool gift, like, you know, thrown in with something or whatever. But anyways, I have those attached to my wallet here. Then I have a scrunchie, always. I also have one of these lay flat hair clips from Teleties. This is a really cool kind of tortoise one for fall. Love it. I have a couple of these and I really like them. And then I went back into my old pill case. Book boyfriends are better. Yes. And then when you open it up, of course, you have all the little labels on here and it works out good. I love this one and I love the other brown one that I've been showing you guys lately. So I have that. Besides those items, I don't have anything else in the main bulk here of the bag. I don't have anything in this back zipper pocket. It's a great pocket for like a couple of snacks or something. In this little pocket, I have a pack of gum. And wait, what else is in there? Oh, some receipts. Cash, look at that. Look at that. That's 30 bucks. I'm going to get a coffee. Man. Good day, good day. I also have a, that's funny. I also have a pen tucked down in the little pen loop. My hand sanitizer. Sometimes this ends up going in that side pocket if I use it a lot. This is that newer one, confetti one from Touchland. Smells so good. My son's actually not a fan of this one. He likes other ones better, but everybody else seems to like this one a lot. It's kind of a cupcake, like a vanilla cupcake. What's the actual name of it? Confetti cake. So there you have it. I have that one in there. This little case is kind of fun. The hand sanitizer is not glitter. I want to make sure to point that out. It's just the case. So you're not spraying glitter on your hands, don't worry. Then over here in the front of the bag, you just have 2 pockets. I have wet ones always inside here. And then I also have another Touchland product. This is their body spray or hand mist, I think or hair mist, I think they call it, in the little silicone sleeve that I can switch out with the different scents. So these 2 items are just always kind of hanging out with me. And that's everything I have inside, I think. Wait, what's in here? More money? No, I'm just kidding. Gum wrapper, hair ties. Yeah, those are everywhere in my bags for sure. That, I believe, is everything tucked down in here, right? Yes. Does everything inside this HOBO SENECA bag. Look how big it is. It's, oh my gosh, I love it so much. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were curious about this HOBO SENECA shoulder bag. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave those down below. I am always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.